Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne, and today we're going to be doing Look Fantastic. We have the October box. Just to let you know that Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription. It is actually based in the UK, which is pretty awesome. Payment is usually on the 1st, but it ships out so quick. There's usually not too many variants. I know I got the second variant. So this shipped really quickly, but I do realize that there was some hiccups this month with Look Fantastic. Everyone got an email saying that the September box was canceled, and they're like, okay, well, we already got September. And then payment was taken out and payment was put back in, and I don't know. It was kind of messed up. For me, it was really messed up. I had turned off my auto renew for 6 months because I'm trying to cut down on these boxes. Saw October's box, and I was like, I should grab this box. Awesome. So I went onto my account to see if I was still active member, if I still had some on my 6-month subscription left, and there wasn't. So I was like, okay, well, I'll sign up for 3 more months. You know, I don't want to pay the full price, which apparently I have the pricing wrong. It's $25 for each month, $23 if you sign up for 3 months, $22 if you sign up for 6 months, and I believe $19.50 if you sign up for a whole year. Now that's a box every month. So the nice thing about Look Fantastic is they don't take all the payment at once. They do take it every month, but you are signed up for that month, so you cannot cancel it. And well, it's harder to cancel anyway. I guess you probably could under some situations. But so then I looked at my bank account and realized I was charged $23 and $22. So I have a second box coming. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in getting this box, just leave a comment below and leave a comment like with the hashtag giveaway. This way I know you want to be part of this giveaway, and I'll probably do it before the last week in October. Maybe I'll do it around the time I get my Ipsy bag. We'll see how many comments are on the Look Fantastic on this video, and we'll go from there. Anyway, so as well as commenting, if you could also like and share this video, try and get some more subscribers. I have the finishing touches on my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, as well as a couple in between. So with Look Fantastic, you do get your you do get a book. It says here, Christmas stocking coming soon. Add a touch of Look Fantastic into your Christmas decorating this year with his or hers Christmas stockings. Get your his or hers stockings for only $65. Non-subscribers pay $90. So I don't know if there's something in there. Okay, so it says look to page 18 for the reveal for November. So the sneak peek from November is the ESPA Smooth and Firm Body Butter. So in this box, it usually tells you about the products that you were getting and some other products in the box. It's always nice. So you do get the Elle magazine. It's a nice little magazine, perfect for on the coffee table to look at, as well as, you know, other places. So I always love Look Fantastic. It's always done really nice. I really like this purple. I am a purple fanatic. So there's the box there. And the first item you are going to see is the OK Illuminating Holographic Sheet Mask from Chok Chok with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils. Ooh, made in Korea. So I'm super excited about that. I actually might even use that tonight after I take out my makeup. Not 100% sure. So the next item I see is hand cream. This genuine Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. I do actually have another hand cream from them, so I'm not sure. I thought I was supposed to get something else with it. So the next item I see here is Avent Shea Butter Hydraulic Sweet Almond Vitamin B3. Ooh, this is Verifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Oh, I meant to do my nails tonight, but I kind of forgot. So the next item, one of the items I do like about this box was getting this wet mini detangle or brush. It's a little brush, big results, a detangle for life on the go. I really like this idea. My daughter has one, so it's nice that I have my own, and actually it would be nice to use on my little one who does not like getting her hair brushed, so this will be nice for her and I. So another great item I see is the angle blending brush. This is a luxurious, soft, cruelty-free, and vegan, professional quality. It says at the bottom, hashtag war paint for life. Ooh, that is a really, really nice brush. I like that. So there it is there. And then the last item I see is EOS Evolution of Smooth. So I don't know if this is pearl. So I'm going to see what the other box has. I'm not exactly sure if I am going to do the giveaway on it yet because I want to see what variant it is. I think it's the same one, but I kind of want to make sure. So if not, I'll put some of the items in maybe a giveaway. So, but if you do want me to give it away, if I get enough people saying yes, give it away, then I will give it away. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. So I'm not sure. I don't remember seeing the hand cream in this. So maybe I'm wrong on that, but I do love EOS cream lip balms, and I almost lost the one today, so this will be nice. I will be taking this and using it. I wonder if this shows the different variants in it. Let's see if we can do the prices as well. It's kind of busy in here today, so I'm a little... Okay, so the brush here is worth €9, so that's about... I would say about $14, which is about the price for a good brush here. I really like how soft that is. The OK mask says it's $10, €10, so that's about $16. I do know that these are available at Shoppers, and they are pretty expensive, but I thought they were only like $5 or $6, but I could have that wrong. So then you could get pearl or iridescent or crystal vanilla orchid. Product may vary. It's worth $6.50. I do know that these are worth $8 to $9 Canadian. So definitely, I kind of wish I got the purple one. I'm not gonna lie at all. And then we got the wet brush. I do love the color of the wet brush. So this is worth €8, so about 15 bucks. And then the hand cream, which is worth $10. Oh. Okay, that's right. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. So, I'm not sure. It says here, which will you get? The balm, but instead I got the Avant. So, okay, that's a little disappointing. Now, mind you, I do have some of the balm, so it's not that big of a deal. But I mean, what I saw for the spoilers is what I thought I was getting. So, okay, so the hand cream is worth €9.90, which $15. So I mean, the box is like over $60. So I mean, it is a really good box. It is a little disappointing that I did not get the balm eyeshadow, but it doesn't say how much the Advent is, so I'm guessing that was a last minute add-on. They probably ran out of the eyeshadow. So anyway, if you want to sign up, you can still get this box right now. The nice thing is if you order today, you will have shipping hopefully, well, tomorrow's Friday, by Monday. I do believe that they actually do start start shipping before that. Today's the 9th. This shipped out, I believe, the 2nd or the 3rd. Actually, the 3rd. So it only took 6 days to get here. That's pretty quick considering it's coming from across the pond. I do have another box, like I said. I'm going to open it up and see what's in it, and I'm going to make that video the giveaway instead of this one, just in case it is a bit different. I'm going to wait and see what I got. But yeah, so stay tuned and we'll see what I get in my second look fantastic. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.